Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the tutorials in the Themify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the information button at the top of the page on the right. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you will find all the available tutorials for this application. So if you're interested in any of them, then just click on them and you will be able to find step by step, in this case, how to set still wallpapers. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.